Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Colin, and today I wanted to walk you through step by step on how you can purchase shares of stock. If you're anything like me, you've had people tell you or you've heard people say to invest your money for most of your life, but no one ever tells you where to get started. So today I wanted to address that issue and make a video to show you exactly how to do that. All the other videos on this topic on YouTube seem to be either extremely long or don't walk you through on the computer how to do exactly that. So I'm going to, in this video, show you exactly how I go about purchasing shares of stock to make this process extremely simple and clear. So let's head over to the computer where I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Okay, so before we begin, you do need to know some things in order to invest. First, you need to know that the stock market is open 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Monday through Friday, and that's Eastern Standard Time. So those are the times that you'll be able to buy and sell stock. Secondly, you need to have some money, $50, $20, $1. It doesn't really matter. The more the merrier, but just to get started, a little bit is fine. Third, you have to be willing to lose the money. There's always risk associated with the stock market, and you will be losing money when you first start out, but the goal is to just make more money than you lose, and hopefully that occurs for you. Now fourth, you need to choose a stockbroker. Stockbroker is essentially the person you go to say, hey, I want this many shares of this company, and then they go and buy it for you. Nowadays, they're all online and they happen instantaneously. So I have some examples pulled up of very popular stockbrokers like E-Trade, Scottrade, TD Ameritrade, and Robinhood. If you're starting out, I strongly recommend Robinhood. They're 100% free and they don't require a minimum balance on the account that you open. So you can open an account with literally 1 cent and start trading with that. And for most of you out there, you probably have very little money to start investing, and this is the perfect option for you. Oh, and I almost forgot, I'm recording this actually after I filmed this entire video, but if you click the first link in the description, that'll take you to the sign up page for Robinhood. And if you sign up through that link that's in the description, that's my referral code. So if you sign up through there for Robinhood for a new account, both of us will get 1 free share of stock, and it can be pretty much anything, and it can be up to like $200 worth of a share of stock. So I strongly recommend clicking on that link. If you don't click on that link and you just sign up regularly, you will have to start from zero. So it's definitely beneficial to sign up through there so each of us can get a free share of stock. Anyway, back to today's video. I just wanted to put that out there. Okay, so now we're gonna take a look at my Robinhood account. This is the main one I use. Now in here, I have just over $1,000. You don't need to have that much money in your Robinhood account. In fact, I mean, this isn't that much compared to what some people have, but I know it's a lot more than most people because I've been funneling money into this for quite a while now. So don't expect to have that much money, but if you have $50, like I said, $20, $1, a cent, it doesn't really matter. Just go ahead and put that money in there, transfer it from your bank account after you make your Robinhood account. Then this is how you're going to go about purchasing a stock. And when I tell you it is simple, it is beyond simple. Anyone can do it. Like Geico, a caveman can do it. So you're going to go up to the top here where it says search, right? Oh, and at the top up here, how to buy a stock, that's the presentation that I was on, that I was showing you guys. I did it for a class and I just wanted to show you what a stockbroker was. So you're gonna go to the search bar at the top, or if you're on your mobile phone, I think it's at the bottom. It's a tab on the bottom, and then you have to click the search bar at the top. I'm not gonna go over that. I'm just gonna be worrying about the website. But type in the name of the company that you want to purchase shares of stock of. Today, I'm going to be purchasing, let's say, an extra share of AMD. Right now I have 16 shares, as you can see over here. These are the shares of stock that I currently own, but I'm willing to take on more. I would love to increase my position size in AMD, as I think they have a great future, but let's go over to AMD. Okay, so now here's AMD's stock right here. This little tab up here is how many percent of analysts So, as I was saying, this right here is the percentage of analysts who suggest buying this stock. Now, honestly, don't follow this at all. If you're a beginner, Trust me, do not listen when other people say to buy a stock or to sell this stock. They're trying to pump it up, and then they're gonna sell off and you're gonna hold it, and then there's gonna be this major sell-off. The stock price is going to fall and crash, and then you're going to be left with a huge loss. So don't follow that at all. That's just stock market 101. Don't listen to other people's trades. I mean, that you can listen to their advice and learn from them, but make your own diagnosis and really make your own decisions on what stocks you think you should invest in. I'm not going to go too into detail in that today. I just needed to get that word out just because that's a huge problem that a lot of new traders face, and it really leads them down a rough path. So let's go back to just purchasing shares of stock. Over here on the right side is where it says shares. Now you can buy or sell AMD. Obviously, if I'm trying to buy, I'm going to be under the buy tab. Now I'm going to go to shares, and it shows the market price right over here where it says AMD, and then right over here on the right side where it says, right under where it says shares. So you know how much you're purchasing. So let's say I want to purchase one more share of AMD, right? So it says estimated cost, $23.34. Now that will fluctuate as the price fluctuates. Now it changed to 36 cents. So now I'm going to click review order. Oh, just one note, underneath review order, it shows how much buying power you have available. That's how much money you have in your account that you don't have invested. So that's how much you're able to purchase with. If the estimated cost goes over that, so let's say I was trying to buy 10 shares, I can still buy because that's $233. Let's say I was trying to buy 20 shares. That's over my available buying power, and it's going to cancel this order if I tried to purchase it. So be a little wary of that. So I'm going to go to review order for my one share, and it's going to say you are placing a good for day market order, and then you're simply going to click submit buy. And it's that simple. AMD purchased. New position, 17 shares. And so that's all it is. And I go back, and over here on the right side, now it says 17 shares of AMD. It's that simple, guys. It's really, really easy to get invested in the stock market. People make it seem like it's rocket science, but it's really, really not. The hard part is choosing the right stock to invest in, and I'll make videos on that in the future. I'm not an expert by any means. I've taken huge losses, but I've also made some really great gains. So I think I have a little bit of knowledge to talk about that, but that's for a future video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and go out there and start a Robinhood account. Today's video was a little bit different than usual, but I had a lot of fun making it, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. With that being said, that's all I have for today's video. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.